Good morning guys, how you doing? Gavin here from the Growing Younger program, and this exercise is just a bent over row, supported bent over row. It can be better than the standard kneeling row basically, or a one arm dumbbell row with one knee is on the bench. We use this with our clients at the Growing Younger studio to help with sore knees. So if for argument's sake kneeling down on a bench causes some knee pain, or some hip pain when you're doing it because you could be a little bit off kilter, I found this version is a lot better. It's a standing version, you are bent over, but you've got a box here for support. So ultimately, you've got the box right there, okay, pick up the dumbbell and pop it just in front of the box. You're going to bend over just slightly, okay, so you can see my knees are slightly bent. They're just under my hips and my shoulders are nice and straight. So I lift down, pick up the weight. I've got a nice space in between my legs and the box to row, okay? And with this exercise, you're going to pull and bring the elbow back behind the body and slowly take it back down, okay? Take it up, slowly back down. You may get a little bit of rotation at the top, and that's okay, but try not to be excessive with it, okay? Try not to do this. So steady, keep your core nice and tight, and row, and the desired amount of reps, or the reps that your trainer has told you, okay? Really important to keep the core tight. Try not to arch your back and roll this way. Stick your bum out, okay, your bum out, arch your back, keep your shoulders flat, and then you're going to continue to row. And that's going to be the bent over supported one arm dumbbell row.